Before I go past. So guys,
Give me poco. Throw this one off the
there's no real. So I can go stop. Okay. And again, it doesn't matter what your patterns look like. The more random, the better. And you can also
drain that.
on the counter through here. These things get stuck
Do I jump on this one?
over here.
Shit about me.
It's good, man. I'll make that look better. It's good. It's fine. So we got this spot right here, right? Didn't fill in. It's not because there's not enough resin there. If you look, it's thick. There's just surface tension. There's nothing there to let that resin kind of flow and connect. So if I just pat my finger, see how it levels out immediately? So we're going around making sure any open spots, and this is if you're out of product, right? We have product, we could have poured some there. But if you're out of product, you poured everything out and you have some spots, just take your finger, pat it around. I mean, look how thick this is. Super thick. There's plenty of resin when you do this kit. 8 ounces minimum is what you need per square foot. And so the next thing is I'll grab a paint stick and we'll address a few spots. Right, we got a vein here, and we got another solid vein. So I'm just gonna take a tongue depressor and I'm just gonna start blending this in until we kind of dissipate that a little bit, just so it doesn't look like a solid vein. Right, we don't want to take away from this beautiful one that I poured earlier. I know what he was doing. He was trying to outdo me right here. But there's really no way wrong to pour. It's just if you have a specific color that you want more of, you don't want to cover it up, you know? So we're looking for barely pull the trigger, small to medium, a couple large droplets, and I'm just gonna go through randomly. So we'll let that activate. You can see it already starting right here, right? Kind of dispersing that surface. And again, I'm only hitting it randomly, so I'm not hitting the whole surface. Got a bunch of little cells right here. Just real quick, I don't want to hit the whole thing. See how I'm doing this, guys? Just real quick, light coat. We'll let it sit for 10 minutes, maybe hit it again. Test. Yeah, see, it's not moving as fast there. It's just not as thick, but it's still a little fluid. We want it to be moving. We want it to be moving down that tape like super slow. That way when we pull the tape, we're not gonna lose a bunch of resin. It's not gonna drag our design, right? We wanna keep this design and look. And then you just need to keep in mind, if you're doing like a 6-inch, a thick face, you're gonna wanna pull it a little sooner because you have more face to cover. These aren't thick faces, so we can wait a little longer. Flatten it out so we don't have a big old lip. It's got to fill in now. Hear that super tip when you come back here?
Yep.
When you come back here, where you started.